Okay, now welcome to Unity and Coherence. In this part, we'll learn about the importance of unity. Unity means that the unity means that the the collaborations between sentences into one paragraph in essay writing, and then how to edit an essay for unity. The importance of coherence in essay writing, and methods of creating coherence. So, what is unity in writing? Unity in writing is the connections of all ideas to a single topic in an essay. So all ideas should be united into one sentence. The sentence there is the main idea. An essay, all ideas should relate to the thesis statement, and the supporting ideas is the main body in a main body paragraph should relate to the topic sentence. As we can see the essay in about Chinese medicine here. Underline the thesis statement with two lines in the examples there, and then underline each topic sentence with one line, list the supporting ideas, and after you have finished, review the topic sentence and supporting ideas. Surely with your friends, discuss how the topic sentence relate to this thesis statement and how the supporting sentences relate to the topic sentence. Is the essay unified? In editing an essay for Unity, what we'll do is one way to keep Unity in essay is to edit the outline of ideas for ideas that are not relevant to the thesis statement or topic sentence. Likewise, after we have written the essay, it is helpful to review the text and look for ideas that do not relate to the thesis or the topic sentences. What is coherence in writing? Coherence is related to unity. Coherence is somewhat like the connections between one to another. Ideas that are arranged in a clear and logical way are coherent. When a text is unified and coherent, the reader can easily understand the main points. As you learn, creating an outline helps make a well-organized essay, well organized in your ideas. Think about what type of organizations is the best for your topic. So in type of writing there, chronology, and then type of organizations, order by time, and order of events. Descriptions, order of positions, size, shape, things, and then classifications, group ideas and explain them in a logical order. Comparisons, argumentations, order from least important to the most important. And how about cohesive device? Cohesive device in writing. Cohesive devices are words and phrases that connect sentences and paragraphs together, creating a smooth flow of ideas. In this unit, we'll look at the transitions, pronoun references, and repetitions of key ideas. So cohesive, somewhat like, for example, in him replacing the name of persons, which is previously mentioned in the previous sentence, and then the pronouns or pronoun things that somehow like as the reference of the previous nouns mentioned in the earlier sentences. That's the cohesive. And that's all, folks, for now. Thank you.